What are the OSHA requirements for fall protection anchor points? Imagine working high above the ground, where a simple slip could lead to a serious fall. That's why understanding OSHA rules for anchor points is so important. These rules help keep workers safe in risky jobs like logging, deep-sea fishing, or storm chasing. OSHA, which stands for the Occupational Safety and Health Administration, sets strict standards for fall protection. One key rule is that anchor points used for personal fall arrest systems must support at least 5,000 pounds of force for each person attached. This means the anchor must be strong enough to hold a person during a fall without breaking. If the anchor is part of a complete fall arrest system, it must be installed and used under the supervision of a qualified person. The system should have a safety factor of at least 2 times the maximum force expected during a fall. This extra strength helps prevent failure if a fall occurs. The anchor points also need to be independent of any platform supports. This way, if one part fails, the other remains secure. Compatibility is another important factor. The anchor must work well with harnesses, lifelines, and shock-absorbing lanyards, ensuring everything stays connected and secure. Regular inspections are a must. A competent person should check the anchor points often for signs of wear, rust, or damage that could weaken their strength. For jobs like logging, workers might tie off to sturdy trees or machinery. These anchor points must meet the 5,000-pound rule to keep them safe. Deep-sea fishing crews often work on slippery decks or elevated platforms, so their anchor points need to be especially strong and checked regularly. Storm chasers working on tall towers or vehicles during storms depend on properly rated anchors to stay safe in extreme weather. OSHA also requires that only qualified or competent persons install or evaluate these anchor points. They need to make sure the structure can support the load and is positioned correctly to arrest a fall without causing more hazards. To sum up, OSHA's rules focus on making sure anchor points can support at least 5,000 pounds per person or twice the maximum arrest force if part of a certified system. They must be independent from platform supports, compatible with fall arrest equipment, and installed or inspected by trained professionals. These safety measures are vital for workers in dangerous jobs, helping prevent injuries and saving lives during unexpected falls.